In this video, I'm looking for a little help or advice with my Billy Goat sod cutter. For whatever reason, this spring, whenever I let go of we'll call it a clutch that makes the cutter engage, the cutter stays engaged. Now also, when it's just sitting idling, all of a sudden the cutter will turn on. So I'm not sure what's going on with it. I haven't called the dealer yet. I'm just going to do a video and show you guys what it's doing. If you could comment down below if you guys have ever experienced it, or if you know what part needs to be replaced. Maybe the cable is broke, I'm not sure. I'll get it started up and show you what it's doing. Well, it did it there for a little bit. I knew once I did the video it wouldn't act up as bad. Normally, I'll start it up, not even be by it, and the cutter will engage. If I squeeze the handle a couple times, the cutter will disengage. I've cut a little bit of sod and I let go of the handle over here and the blade is still cutting. So, if you guys could comment down below, let me know what you think is going on. I'd rather not take it to the dealer, but I probably fix it myself if it's something simple. Maybe it's a new cable or a clutch engagement, I'm not sure. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.